Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Splatoon 3 with 2 players. Splatoon 3 provides several fantastic opportunities for you and a friend to dive into the ink-filled action together. Whether you prefer competing side-by-side on the same console or teaming up online against other players, there are great options available. We will cover the specific modes and steps to get you and your buddy splatting in no time, ensuring you make the most of your 2-player adventures. For a fantastic local 2-player experience, look no further than Table Turf Battle. This engaging card game allows you and a friend to compete head-to-head on a single Nintendo Switch console. Simply head to the Table Turf Dojo in Splatsville to challenge your buddy. You will each use a custom deck of 15 cards, strategically placing them to cover more of the board than your opponent. It is a unique and fun way to battle without going online. If you want to team up with a friend for online action, Splatoon 3 makes it easy. Head to the lobby and select With Friends to either create a room or join an existing one. From there, you can invite your friend to form a squad. You can then jump into popular modes like Turf War or Anarchy battles together, facing off against other online players as a coordinated duo or even a team of up to 4. To maximize your 2-player fun, teamwork is key. Always communicate with your friend, whether you are calling out enemy positions or planning your next move. Consider choosing weapons that complement each other. For example, one player could use a long-range charger while the other uses a close-range roller. Practicing together will significantly improve your synergy, helping you dominate the battlefield and achieve victory in your 2-player Splatoon 3 adventures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.